What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel Watch. So this is the LTE version. I ended up getting this for free when I got my Google Pixel Fold here. So that was a good deal in my opinion. This watch is going to retail for about $399 for the LTE version. If you get the Wi-Fi version, it'll run you about $350. So you can pick those up, but here's the packaging that it comes in. You see the Wear OS, that's what it's going to be running right there. And then here's a few of the specs on the back of it here. This is going to be the matte black, and it has the Obsidian active band on here as well. So I had the polished silver one at one time, and I don't have it now. But a few more of the specs on this. This has a 1.2 inch AMOLED display, 450 by 450, going to be 320 ppi. Now this has about 1,000 nits of peak brightness. It's going to weigh 1.27 ounces. This has Gorilla Glass 5, eSIM, stainless steel frames, IP68 water and dust. Going to be running Android Wear OS. Has the Exynos 9010 processor, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a 294 milliamp hour battery. You're going to be able to check things like your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your sleep tracking, and it does have Google Assistant as well. And we talked about the color. This is the matte black. Also comes in polished silver and the champagne gold. So those are a few of the features and details. Like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing just to see this color here. And Google sent me out the first one, and it was nice. But the black one is the one I always wanted. So let's take a look at it. So here it is. And there's the watch on the little box here. We're going to take the watch off, set it to the side. And then on the inside of this is going to be your charging cable, and you also get an extra band as well. So it's going to be Type-C charging cable with the proprietary charger right there. Put that over to the side. And then I think on the inside here, just going to get your paperwork, your guide, quick start guide here. You get your safe and regular information there. And then that is it. Get a nice little card from Google right there. And let's go ahead and put this back. Very nice packaging and setup here. Nothing on the inside. Let's take a look at the watch. So here's the watch. You guys see that matte black. You got your crown on this side, your power button, microphone. This side you got your speaker, another microphone. And this very nice Obsidian color band, they call it. And I guess it's some type of sports band, I'm not sure, but it's very nice. The back, you're going to have your sensors that we talked about there. And this is a 1.2 inch display right here. AMOLED display. And let's go ahead and start it up. I probably won't set it up on this video, or I'll cut away and come back, but this is the startup logo right here. And I think this is going to be a great combination. Although I like bigger watches, I'm definitely going to give it a better go around this time using with the Google Pixel Fold. The Fold has been real nice, man. If you haven't got one and you want one, I suggest that you get it. But it's a very nice phone, and this watch is going to complement it a whole lot. So I'm going to put it on my arm, let you guys see what it looked like. Now I have a 7 1/4 inch wrist. One of the things I didn't like about this watch so much is the size of it. So like I said, I'm going to give it a little bit better go around this time. And this is what it looks like on my wrist right here. So kind of small, but as you can buy these band, you can get these protectors, the cases for the watch, make it feel like a little bit bigger watch and look a little bit more, bigger on your wrist. So But yeah, man, the Google Pixel Watch is here. So the Google Pixel Watch, in my opinion, is a beautiful watch, especially this matte black color here. I think I really like this one a whole lot better than the other one I had. I'm going to change up the band on it, put something a little bit better on there that fits me a little bit better. And it's going to be a dope combination using it with the Fold as well. So we'll catch you guys. This was just an unboxing, guys, not a setup and everything, just an unboxing of it. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.